Ladies and welcome to the next video of class 10 mathematics surface area and volume part 12. Next question, send the questions from your sides. Read the question. A cubical block of side 10 cm is surmounted by a hemisphere. What is the largest diameter that the hemisphere can have? Find the cost of painting the total surface area of solid so form at the rate of 5 rupees per 100 centimeter square. Means a cubical block of 10 centimeter edge a cube is surmounted on it. Sorry, a hemisphere is surmounted on it. So what is the maximum largest diameter of the hemisphere? So largest diameter of hemisphere is equal to edge of cube, that is 10 centimeter. So diameter 10, radius 10 by 2, 5 centimeter. Cost, rate of painting 5 rupees per 100 centimeter square. So I always say you can find 100 centimeter square cost rupees 5, 1 centimeter square cost rupees 5 by 100. Always find the unit values where the cube is painted. Cube is a toy form, so total surface area of this block 6a square. If I say all surface are cubes are included, this is a cube, so all surface are included, but where the hemisphere is pasted, so the circular part are pasted, means in 6a square minus pi r square are not in cube, that's are pasted, so they not form a surface, and place of this a form a CSA of hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. So open the bracket, 6a square pi r square, because minus pi r square plus 2 pi r square only pi r square. Then 6 into 10 into 10, 3.14 value is given or not, 5 into 5, 600 plus 25, 4 is 100, 10, 35, 3, 75, 78. 0.50, 678.50 centimeter square is the total surface area of this solid. When we want to find the total cost of painting, that is rate into area, five 20 is 100, 100, 0 cancel, 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 2 9 is 18, 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10, means 2 place decimal shift in left side, 33.925 rupees, you can say 33.93 rupees, because for rupees decimal in only 2 place. That is the cost of the painting of cubical block. Pause, read, note down. Let's see. Good question. Now question. A wooden toy, you can see here, shape of the cone mounted on a cylinder. Cylinder, upper side a conical portion. The total height of the toy is 26 centimeters, while the height of the conical part is 6 centimeter. Conical part height is 6 centimeter and total toy is 20 centimeter. The diameter of the base of the conical part is 5 centimeter. Conical part base is 5 centimeter and the cylindrical part is 4 centimeter. The diameter of the both base given, and the conical part and the cylindrical part are respectively painted red and white. This is the red paint, this is the white paint. Find the area to be painted by each of these color. Means we want to find the area of red color paint and the area of white color paint. So you can see here, if total height is 26 and this is 6 centimeter height, so this is the 20 centimeter height. This is the height of cylinder, this is the height of cone. The radius of the cone is radius of cone. We can write small r, that is 5 by 2 centimeter. Radius of cylinder, that is 4 by 2, that is 2 centimeter. If you find the surface area for this figure, they have the combination of two figures, cylinder and cone. Cone surface area pi rl and base pi r square, means you want pi and r and l, but here l is not given. For cylinder, that is 2 pi rh or pi r square, so combine r and h with we have no both value h and r, but for the conical part we don't know what's the value of slant height. So first you find the value of slant height, that is l square is equal to h square plus r square. L square, h square is 6 square and r square is the 2.5 square. 36 plus 6.25 whole square root, 42.25. I think this is the square root of 35. 4, 16, 65, 6.5 centimeter. Let me check. If you want to check it, 4225, 5 8 is 40, 5 4 20, 5 25, 5 1 is 5, 5 is 30, 5 is 45. Yes, 13 5 pair, 35 65 and 1 place decimal. So we have to got the value of the slant height for the conical part. Then you have to decide then area of red color. What's the area of red color? If you know CSA of cone, good. Base of cone minus top of cylinder. Pi RL is same, no problem. This is just like this, pi RL. Cone base is pi r square, but here this is pasted, so this is not form of any types of color. Just like if I say this is the cone and it's pasted, so where is this paste? This is paste, so here is not painted red color, no color paint because there is a paste. So here is no paint, So we have to remove this area minus pi r square. This is the area of top of the cylinder. Then we have to put all the values. Pi in common to all. Small r 2.5, small l 6.5, pi common, r square small r 2.5 into 2.5 minus pi common, capital R is 2 into 2. Pi value 22/7 is given. Multiply 25 5 125 5, okay, 12, 150, 160, 2, 16.25 plus 6.25 minus 4, 22/7, 16 plus 6, 22.50 minus 4, 22/7 into 18.50, 7 2s are not divisible. Then 100, 0 cancel, 2 5s are 10, 2 11s are 5 3 are 15, 5 7 is 35, 11 into 37/7. Multiplying and you're getting the area of red color. So after multiplying we get the value of 58.14 centimeters square. Then we find the area of white color. So this is the CSA of cylinder. If this is pasted, so you can paint white color here and the base. This is not painted. So CSA of cylinder plus area of base 2 pi RH pi r square, pi r common, 2h plus r. Put all the values. 22/7 into 2 into h, 20 plus 2, 22/7 into 2 into 42, 7 6 are 42, 6 2 are 12, 12 2 are 24, 264 centimeter square is the area of white color. Okay, pause video, note down. I hope you understand why we not take this part. Always I explain the pasted part is not included in the both figures. Okay, pause video, note down.